Okay, this is the given figure. Is asking to find out the vertical deflection at the free end. At the free end is this one. So within the brackets, whatever he has shown, these are the areas. Area BC is 30, area BD is 30, area of AD is 60, like that in square centimeter. So using Castliglano's theorem, what is our first step? You want to apply a dummy load wherever he is asking the deflection. Vertical deflection at the free end. This is the free end. This is the free end. So using now method of joints, I'll solve. So cantilever, truss, I am starting from the free end. So this is the load is given. I'll start here only using method of joints. So method of joints means first we'll go for free end joint E. Joint E. So joint E, I'll draw the force diagram. Joint E, please concentrate all of you. This is the E. So I'm writing E here. E, how is this one? 45 and Q. 45 and Q is downward. So I'm writing 45 plus Q here. Then this is which one? D here. This is D. Then this is C. This is C here. What is the angle here? 4. This is 4. This is 4. So theta is equal to tan inverse 4 by 4, 45 degrees. This is theta. This is theta. Tan inverse opposite by adjacent. Okay, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So 45 degrees. So here 45 degrees. Theta is equal to 45. Understood? So we'll go for first sigma f of y is equal to 0. Sigma f of y is equal to 0. So what we can write here? I am writing P. All the forces I am writing as a P here. So PCE. This is PCE. If I am getting this side, this side cos theta. This side will be sin theta. If the angle is making with that axis, x axis is making, no? X will become cos, y will become sin, because this is upward, so positive. So P C sin 45, then this is downward, so minus 45, Q also downward, so minus 45 minus Q, then PCE is equal to 45 by sin 45. Okay, this is minus, if I go that side, positive, so 63.64, then Q by sin 45, Q also if I go that side, positive, so 1.414 Q. So whatever you are getting, I will make this in a box so that we can see later easily. Then I'll go for now sigma f of x is equal to 0. Sigma f of x, what will happen? This one will come, this not will come, this one will come. What is this? DE, left side is positive or negative. Okay, so P DE, PD left side negative. This is also coming left side negative. So this is also left side minus P CE cos 45 is equal to 0. Then we got the value of PCE, substitute here, then I'll get PDE is equal to, substitute here, so PCE into cos 45, that same thing will get come. Okay, 45 will come, so minus 45 minus, so this is also keep in a box. So whenever I am making a table, it will be easy for you. So joint D over, then I go for joint C. I will not go for joint D. Why I am not going for joint D? Joint D, only two unknowns we can find out using the method of joints. So if I take D, what will happen? This is known to you now. D is known to you. So CD, DA, DB. 3. Now 1, 2, 3 will be unknowns. So if I go for D, if I go for C here, see this is known now. So we can kind of find out BC and CD. Therefore I am taking joint C, then I'll go for joint D. So first joint C. So joint C, I am drawing the force diagram or vector diagram, will say. So C, what will happen? CB here. This is C, this is B. Always I am taking away from the body, away from the joint. I am taking all, I am taking away from the joint. So if you are getting positive tension, if you are getting negative compression. So next, this is D. Okay, this is D. Next, now CE. This is CE. This is E. Again, this is theta. Then I'll go for again sigma f of x and sigma f of y. So sigma f of y is equal to 0. F of y, what will come? This downward, no? So minus p cd, this is downward minus p cd. This is also minus, but x, it is making angle with x, x will be cos, y will be, and this is also downward minus p ce sin 45 is equal to 0. You know the value of CE, PCE, substitute that one, then you can get the PCD. Then PCD is equal to minus 45 minus Q. This is also everything. Okay, over. Then f of x is equal to 0. F of x is equal to 0. F of x, what will come here? This is minus. So minus P BC, this is right side cos theta. So minus, this is plus right side because plus. So P CE cos 45. PCE substitute here, value of PCE substitute. So what will happen? PBC is equal to 45 plus Q. So two joints over, then I'll go to joint D. I'm going to joint D. Joint D, if I am taking joint D, how many will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. These two unknowns are known. These two are known. These two unknowns you want to find out. Joint D. So therefore I am taking joint D. Joint D. I am drawing the again the forces. I am showing only the forces. That file say it as a force diagram. So D, this side E, this side A, then this side C. D, E, 1, 2, 3, then this is 4. Okay, what is this one? D to B here. Okay, you can see here. From C, D, DA, DE, DC, DB. So DB. Again, this is C. Then if I go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. Sigma f of y is equal to 0, what will happen? This is P of CD upward positive. This is also coming upward. So plus E BC cos 45. Okay, this is sin 45 because this theta is making with x axis, x will be cos, y will be sin. Is equal to 0.
BC कैसा है सर? PBC.
This is DC, not BC. This is DC. Okay. This is BD, not. This is DC. Okay. This is P, CD upward. Okay. This is okay. Now this is DB. DB or BD. BD. So I am writing BD. BD angle is making with this one. This will be cos. This will be sin. So BD. BD is equal to 0. You know the value of. What do you know? CD you know. You already got CD value. 45 minus Q. Substitute here. You will get the value of PBD. PBD is equal to 53.64 plus 1.414 over. Now I'll go for sigma f of x is equal to 0. This is f of y. F of x is equal to 0. F of x, what will come? This is minus p ad minus p ad, then minus p bd cos 45, then plus p of d is equal to 0. Now ad you know, okay, ad you don't know, de you know, de is already known to you, so de you know, and similarly
VDD known.
though dvd is also known to you, substitute this one, you will get pad is equal to minus 90 minus 2q. Substitution part only. This is substitution part. You substitute. Once you substitute now, we got all the forces. We got all the forces. You can see how many forces are there. Okay. Here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is fixed. We will not consider this AB. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why I made a brackets here. Why I make rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll go for a tabular form. I'll try to remember this tabular form. Now I'm taking a tabular form. Once you get the tabular form, we can easily complete. So member, then length, then area, square, then P, then dou P by dou Q, then PL by AE, dou P by dou Q, Q is equal to 0. Q tends to 0. So whatever are there, all the members I am taking, CE, DE, CD, CB, BD, then AD. I written all the boxes. So here length of CE. So length of CE, I will get it. How we are going to get this length of CE? This is 4, this is 4. So using Pythagoras theorem, 4 square plus 4 square. This will get 4 square plus 4 square, 5.6 meter. So that I am writing here. I am writing in mm. All I am writing in mm. So 5660 is 400, 4000, 4000, 4004. Again BD. BD also same thing. Root of 4 square plus 4 square. So that will be 5600, then 4000. In area, what is saying area? He has given in centimeter square. So into 100. If you want to convert into mm, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So 1 centimeter square is equal to 10 square mm square. So 100. So I am multiplying with all into 100. So this will be 3000, then 6000, 3000, 3000, then 6000. P. See, this P is whatever I have taken here. All these values I will take it. This CE for this one, DE for this one, everything like that I will take it. So 63.64 plus 1.414 Q 45 minus Q minus 45 minus Q, 45 plus Q, then 3.64 plus 1.414 Q minus 90 minus 2Q. Then dou P by dou Q, this is constant. This is constant, so only this will come. 1.414, this is minus 1, this is constant 0, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is 1.414 because this is constant. This is minus 2. This is minus 2. Now PL by AE into dou P by dou Q into 2 tends to 0. 2 tends to 0. So what should I do now? PL by AE. E is given as 200 gigapascals, that is 200 kilonewton per mm square. So how to do the calculation here? I'll show the CE calculation. Please listen. CE is equal to PL by AE. What is P? What is P? 63.64 plus 1.414 Q P L. What is L? 5660 by AE. AE how much? 3000 into 200. Okay. Q tends to 0. PL by AE. PL by AE. Now dou P by dou Q. So PL by E I written here. PL by AE into dou P by dou Q. Dou P by dou Q is how much? 1.414. Q tends to 0. Q tends to 0 means this will become 0. So you multiply and divide, you will get here 0.849. So I am writing here 0.849. Similarly, what you will do now? Don't take these Q's now here. Minus 45. Please listen. Minus 45 into 4000. Minus 45 into 4000 into minus 1 divided by A is almost 6000 into 200. We'll get some value here. 0.15. Similarly, this one minus 45 into 4000 into minus 45 into 4000 into minus 1 divided by 6000 by 6000 by 6000 by 6000 into 200. You will get same because this is same 0.15. Similarly, if you take the other 0.3, this is 0.849, then this is 0.60. You add all these things. When you are going to add all these things, you will get some 2.90. 2.90. So our answer is delta C vertical is equal to 2.9. So 2.90 mm. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. Okay. So vertical deflection he has given here. So vertical deflection where is asking 3N, you take 3 and Q, then start from the joint E. Joint E, you find out these two, then go for joint C. These two you find out, then go for joint D. These two are knowns, these two unknowns, you find out these two using method of joints. Once you get all these things, then make a tabular form, member, length, area, P, dou P by dou Q, PL by AE, dou P by dou Q, Q tends to 0. So members, I have written all the here. Lengths you can take it, areas, then P. P is equal to I have taken in a rectangular box, those things I have written, dou P by dou Q. So here dou P by dou Q means this will become 0, 1.414, similar as others. PL by AE. So one example I am taking, P 63.64 plus 1.414 Q, PL 5660 by A is 3000 into 200 kilonewton per mm square, because I am taking all are mm and this is in kilonewton, therefore kilonewton mm square. into 1.414 silicon. Next, no need to take this Qs, minus 45 into 4000 into minus 1 divided by 6000 into 200. Like that, if you do all the calculations, whatever you are getting is sigma of all these things. Algebraic sum of all these things we got 2.9. That is the deflection at C, E, not C, that is E. Deflection at E, this is because this is E. So deflection at E. Why I am writing V? Because it is vertical. Because it is vertical.